Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include cloth seats, rear view camera. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.